All right, hello everyone. Good morning. We're gonna do the elephant toothpaste lab. So this is for students that are having bad internet or you're absent this day, but the elephant toothpaste lab is an assessment, so just wanna make sure that we're all able to get the information that we need. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna have hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide is actually clear. I just put yellow, looks orange, but I put yellow food coloring in it just to make some fun colors. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna look at hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Okay, this is the Target brand of Dawn, but still the same thing. So I know the lab says Dawn dish detergent. It's the same thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some of that in there. So this is the first observation that you're gonna make on your lab document. So I'm gonna mix this together. Okay, and I want you guys to kind of observe what you see. Okay, so we're gonna mix it together. All right, so obviously we should see some bubbles. So bubbles let us know that a chemical reaction is happening, right? Because gas is being released. That's one of the characteristics of a chemical reaction. Okay. And also we can also notice that the Dawn dish soap was completely dissolved in the solute, so we have a complete solution now. All right, or the solute was dissolved in the solution. Okay, but now I'm going to go ahead and add my yeast. So now we're going to watch as the chemical reaction occurs. Before I continue, please pause the video so you can make a prediction of what's going to happen. So what do you think is going to happen when I add the yeast into the hydrogen peroxide and Dawn dish soap solution? So remember, yeast is our catalyst here. Okay, so a catalyst speeds up a chemical reaction. So please pause the video and make a prediction using that information. Remember, yeast is a catalyst. It speeds up a chemical reaction. Okay? All right, I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna continue to mix it. And I'm gonna put it over this so we don't make a huge mess here. Okay, and then if I touch it, it's really warm. I know the other one we said was, when we did the yeast lab, we said that it's getting a little bit hotter. Well, this one's like noticeably warm, like it's very, very warm. I can feel the heat coming off of it. Okay. So continue on. Here's some nice fluff. It's fun to play with. Okay, so again, it's very warm. Okay, and remember when we did that Y simulation, when we saw water being broken down into H2 and O2? Well, remember what happens is why it's releasing heat in the first place is because those chemical bonds are being broken. And right now, hydrogen peroxide obviously has hydrogen in it. And remember, hydrogen bonds are very strong. So hydrogen bonds release a lot of energy. So essentially, we made a little mini bomb here. Okay, don't go around, you're gonna need a lot of hydrogen peroxide in order to make some effect, but you can watch YouTube videos on it. They can make a big mess if you watch intense elephant toothpaste videos. Okay, but as we've noticed here, okay, what happened was we basically took, right, our solid and our liquid. Okay, the solid was the yeast and our liquid was hydrogen peroxide. Now I'm left with bubbles. Okay, so look at the change in the state of matter. Okay, all right, so record your observations and then complete the CER. Okay, and again, This isn't really a bomb. I'm just kidding. So don't go around doing this. I mean, it's fine. It's not that hot, but it does release heat. And it is the hydrogen bond being broken down, which creates a lot of heat because there's a lot of energy stored within that bond. Okay, all right, bye you guys.